Hi guys, so today in this video I will show you how you can properly set up your Vissani air conditioner and how you can choose the right operating mode and avoid a few common mistakes that can reduce the cooling performance. So without further delay, let's get into it. So first of all, what you need to do is you need to simply unpack the window kit and then you need to connect it to the window where you will be using the air conditioner. You can also adjust the panel so that it fits tightly inside the window opening. After doing so, you just have to simply attach the exhausting hose to both the air conditioner and the window adapter. Just make sure that the hose is as straight and short as possible. So after doing this, if the air conditioner was recently transported on its side, do not plug it immediately. You just have to allow it to remain upright for several hours before turning it on. So this is going to give the refrigerant and the compressor oil time to settle properly. So once you have finished the installation, you just have to simply grab the remote and then you just have to choose the operating mode that matches what you are trying to accomplish here. So you can use the cold mode when you want maximum cooling. You can use the dry mode when humidity is the main problem, and you can use the fan mode when you only need the air circulation without cooling. So you just have to simply select the mode as per your need. So that's how you can basically uh, turn it on, and then you can set the temperature a few degrees below the current room temperature. For example, if your room is 80 degrees Fahrenheit, you can try setting the unit to 72 degrees Fahrenheit rather than constantly lowering it to the minimum setting. So that's how you can basically set it up. Thank you.